वो लोगों को बहुत सताता था.
That's Nani's voice only. Yeah, it's just Surya's the rough. He looks menacing. Ooh. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel guys. Hope you all are doing well, and I'm sorry about my voice, it's okay because I'm not well. So anyway, in this video I'm gonna be reacting to Not a Teaser. Now this is from Nani's upcoming film. Now I know there was a glimpse that was given out that I did not react to, but I'm aware of this particular film. So this movie is called Saripotta Sanivaram. So this movie stars Nani and S.J. Surya, and it's like a tussle between them. Now I'm really excited for this film because this is directed by Vivek Atreya, who is also the director of a film that I really loved, which also starred Nani, that is Ante Sundara Nikki. So I had really loved that film, but obviously that film was like a very light-hearted kind of a comedy, but this movie is like action-packed. This movie is action-packed. So after the glimpse, of course I had not reacted to that, but of course I thought, yes, why not? Like I had not gotten the time, and then it was very late, so I did not make a reaction, and I watched it on my own. But this has released now, so I was like, yeah, let's sit for the reaction. Let's sit for the reaction and record it. So yeah, let's watch this Not a Teaser right away.
पुराने जमाने में नरकासुर नाम का एक राक्षस रहता था. वो लोगों को बहुत सताता था.
Okay, that's Nani's voice only. Yeah, it's just Surya's the rough. He looks menacing.
इसीलिए श्री कृष्ण ने सत्यभामा के साथ मिलकर उसे
Oh! Wow, the score!
हैप्पी बर्थडे सर.
Oh, it's S.J. Surya's birthday. Okay. Happy birthday to him. Oh man, this is crazy. Saripotta Sanivaram. Sanivaram matlab to Shanivar, right? Saturday. Wow, that was powerful. That's the first thing. So the first thing which came in my mind after watching this is it's power packed. I think S.J. Surya as a villain, S.J. Surya as a hero, S.J. Surya as a villain is phenomenal. I feel I like him. I mean, he's so talented and so versatile. Like his comedy and the way, his serious characters. Then you see him here as playing this menacing character. I feel that he just molds himself to any role so effortlessly. And here also he looks so vicious and menacing. Like you feel kind of scared of the guy. As the visuals that are presented to us, they are very brutal. Then you obviously see I'm saying Nani, being the savior, and this is clearly like a tussle between Nani versus S.J. Surya's character. This is the whole good versus evil kind of fight, which it seems like. And sometimes, because to defeat an evil like this, you also have to stoop to that level, and that's how you're supposed to defeat the person. Sometimes you don't have any other way around. So I felt that this is a very powerful teaser. I think the visuals were very dynamic, the way they were edited out. Secondly, the BGM used here was phenomenally done. The BGM used here was so phenomenally done. I am not sure because I have not reacted, like, since I had watched the glimpse, and then that was like many months back, so now I've forgotten about it. So I'm not aware if any song or any other promo material has released for this particular film. If so, please let me know in the comments. But this song, whenever this song drops, I'm listening to it right away, because the way it sounded was so energetic. Oh, I wish I knew the meaning, but it sounded great. It really sounded, it kind of pumped me up, So yeah, so very effective. I think this was a very effective, not a teaser. It was very effective in terms of grabbing my attention, and you know, your attention gets divided equally. I know because, and I like that because it's SJ Surya's birthday. Very happy birthday. Screen time wise, it was given more to him. Like, this was about him. This teaser was about him. It was giving that attention that, okay, we have this very menacing villain, and yeah, you guys better watch out. It's gonna be crazy. So I liked how it balanced out very well, and it was like really giving the attention and importance to SJ Surya, and because it was his birthday. So I like, and the end, he's like, happy birthday, sir. That was a great integration. Now, I do not know if it's part of the film or it's specifically integrated here just for promo. We'll have to see. But if it's part of the film, I think it worked out great. I'm sure they would have thought, oh, we're gonna use this in the promo. So maybe that's why it's not a teaser, because it doesn't tease you about the film. It's more like a tribute to SJ Surya's character in the film. So I think it was nice to title it as not a teaser. So we are still gonna have a teaser. It clearly means that we're still gonna have a teaser, an official teaser, and then obviously an official trailer. But I'm waiting for the song. So yeah, that was the reaction to Sari Podda Shanivaram. And you guys let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And with that, I will end this video here, and I will see you soon on my next one. Bye.